Question 13a. AC is a diagonal of kite ABCD. That means that this is not the edge of a kite, so we can't just look at this and try to draw in our own freehand idea a kite that uses that as one of the sides. It's not quite right. This is going to give us either a line of symmetry or the T-bar through the middle of our shape. We already know that A is at 0.15, that's drawn on the grid for us, and that C is at 0.31, it's also drawn for us. The useful information now comes from the bottom. The diagonals of the kite intersect at M, so what we're looking for is a point M at the midpoint of AC. So right here in the middle between A and C is where our diagonals have to cross. Diagonals in a kite always cross at right angles. So this is a really useful piece of information, and it also points out that this is going to have to be the crossbar. So we're looking for a diagonal line which will cut through point M at right angles to AC. The next piece of information we're told is that the line AM, so this distance here from A to the midpoint, is equal to the length of BM. Because this has to be at right angles, this only gives us two possible options, which is why there are actually two possible answers for this question. I'm looking to create a line which starts at point M and is at right angles at 90 degrees to AM, but it must be the same length. In this case, a triangle with sides 2 and 1. If I start it here, I could go across 2, up 1, and that would give me a right angle. If I went across 1 and up 2, that's not entirely a right angle, so it doesn't work. Bear in mind, we could also go across 2 instead of up 1, down 1, and that would also give me another option. For this example, I'm going to use this to create my point B. It matches the rules we're given, that AM is the same as BM, that it's at right angles to this midpoint where the diagonals must cross. The final clue that we're given is that the line BM is in the ratio to MD of 1 to 2. So however long this line is, the midpoint to the final corner of the kite must be twice as long. To do this, we can just continue on from this point through our shape, just keeping it in line, so it's at 90 degrees, but must be twice the length. Down 1 across 2, down 1 across 2, which then creates this final point, D. What are the possible coordinates of B and D? Well, B's coordinate here is 4, 4, and D's coordinate is -3, 1. That's only one possible option. The other option would have been to have B here at 0, 2, and to have D up here at 6, 5.